The Bold and the Beautiful spoilers reveal that Finn's past will be dug up once more. All the secrets he's been hiding will be exposed this week. Steffi will be shocked by the news. Finn is considered to be the most popular B&B character, even though Finn is just an up-and-coming character. Partly because his romance with Steffi made him even more popular. Finn and Steffi have been through many hardships, and after they welcomed their new baby, Finn decided to marry Steffi, and of course, she was happy with the decision. While the two were busy preparing for their wedding, Finn's parents planned to go to LA town to attend their son's wedding ceremony. And they will bring some shocking news to the audience. The secret of Finn's past will be revealed. Of course, Finn's big day will not be complete without his parents, Jack and Lee, who are preparing to attend the wedding ceremony. They will arrive on time for the ceremony start time after receiving this news. Steffi was so nervous when she met Finn's parents, she had some questions for him about his parents. Even though Steffi loves Finn, and they've been through a lot together, and they had a baby together, but Steffi really didn't know anything about her husband's family. Like many other characters, the Finns have their secrets that they don't want others to know. We are suspecting that Finn is Lee's adopted son, and there's also the possibility that she's Finn's stepmother. B&B always wants to surprise its audience, so they'll always keep it a secret. A preview of Finn's mother. Lee says she's focused on her career and never thought she'd be a mother. That's until Finn showed up. This preview, along with the rumor that Finn's mother has joined the B&B, seems to imply that Dr. Finn was adopted as a child. If Finn is only Lee's adopted child, who will be his biological mother? This will be a big question for B&B fans. We have a long list of candidates chosen to be Finn's biological mother. Some viewers are getting into the prediction game, and they're going to rule out the Logan women. Although it is possible that one of the sisters already has a secret child, the family is large enough and does not need any new members. So we suspect it could be Shauna or Quinn, who are at the top of the list of contenders. As longtime fans know, Shauna has a daughter, Flo, but the B&B never mentioned having another child. However, since Shauna was already famously extravagant when she was young, it is likely that she got pregnant and put her child up for adoption. While Shauna might be a strong candidate, many doubt Quinn could be Finn's mother. According to the information revealed, Finn's biological mother will be the one with a lot of drama, and certainly Quinn has plenty of that. Longtime fans know Quinn and Steffi have clashed in the past. Also, with her being Finn's mother, that will further keep her bound to Forresters. Steffi had once in the past become Quinn's daughter-in-law, and if Quinn and Finn's blood tests were the same, then Steffi will once again become Quinn's daughter-in-law. So can Steffi and Quinn get along? Or will the two women once again come into conflict, leaving Finn to act as a meditator?